Morning all, I just thought I'd do cold start of my 2000 Ford Ka. Bless her mum standing by the door because she's absolutely half asleep. Right, I have not started this car for 3 or 4 days now. Oh dear. Right, now let's see. And bear in mind this car has got an immobiliser. Okay. The car doesn't want to know. This is really peculiar. There's nothing on to draw power. I guess we're going to have to delay this cold start then. This car has never not started. It might be due to the fact that I've now got a 10-inch sub in the boot, which I will now show you. If it'll open. Right, I'll be right back. I just want to be the immobiliser. I just want to check the connection.